Are you tired of digging through Xero for that one invoice? Stop wasting time. I'll show you how to organize everything in 2 minutes. That feeling when you know you uploaded a receipt, but you can't find it anywhere. It's frustrating, and it costs you time and money. By the end of this tutorial, your Xero file system will go from a chaotic mess to a clean, logical archive, where every single document is just one click away. Let's fix this right now. First, we'll create a simple folder structure. Then, I'll show you exactly how to move your files into it. All right, let's start with logging in. Go ahead and log into your Xero account. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see your organization's name. Click on that. Now, from the menu that drops down or opens up, you'll see a list of options. You're looking for the one that says Files. It's usually right there in the main navigation. Give that a click. This opens up your main files area. It might look a little overwhelming if you've never been here before, but don't worry. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on the option that says Archive. This is where all your documents live by default, and it's exactly where we're going to start bringing order. All right, so here's the big moment. We need to create our folders. Look for a button that says New Folder, probably at the top. Click it. A small box will pop up, asking you to give it a name. This is the most important part of the whole process. Think about how your brain works. What would you search for to find a receipt for office supplies? Something like 2024 office expenses, or maybe 2024 tax invoices. Keep it simple and logical. Let's type in a folder name, like 2024 client receipts. Once you've typed the name, just click the blue Create Folder button. And just like that, you have your first organized home for your documents. Now, this is where the real magic happens. We need to actually put the files into our new folder. In your archive view, you'll see a list of all your receipts and invoices. To select a file, just click the little checkbox that appears next to each one. You can select multiple files at once. Hold down the Control key on a PC or the Command key on a Mac, and you can click as many as you need. This way, you can move a whole batch of receipts for the same client or the same month all at once. Once you have your files selected, look for a button that says Move To. It's usually at the top of the list. Click it. A new little window will open up, showing you your folder structure. It will probably just show your archive and your brand new 2024 client receipts folder. Just click on the folder you want to send the documents to. And finally, click the Confirm button. Xero will do its thing, and your files will vanish from the main list and appear safely inside your new folder. You'll see a quick confirmation message pop up. And that's it. Done. So now, instead of scrolling through 100 unnamed receipts, you can just click on your archive, then your 2024 client receipts folder, and boom, there it is. Every single document you need, exactly where you expect it. Take a minute to create a few more folders, maybe one for 2024 utility bills or 2024 bank statements. The time you invest right now will save you hours of frustration later. You've gone from a disorganized mess to a clean, logical system. And trust me, your future self is going to thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.